want to use not born yesterday to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Your Business, and our idiom, our expression today is not born yesterday. And I suppose it's more recent relative, born but not born yesterday, or something to that effect. People say, oh, I was born but I wasn't born yesterday. This idiom has been used, the not born yesterday, since the 1800s. But there's no definite origin of it. There's no documented ability to trace where it actually originated or where it first started being used. But they know it's been popular since the 1800s. So what does it mean? It means, of course, that with age comes experience, and with experience comes wisdom and our ability to judge character, judge truth, discern whether we're having the wool pulled over our eyes or not. A person is unlikely to believe something or someone that's not true, or that somebody is not trustworthy, to trust somebody who's not trustworthy as we gain life experience. Now, I think it really depends on your life experience, because the way I was raised, I thought I was very naive until I hit college in my 20s and corporate America. I honestly believed that I trusted too easily, and sometimes I acted like I was born yesterday with respect to trusting people and believing that everybody was good and everybody was out to make the world a better place. Now, I still kind of have my Pollyanna glasses on and like to believe that everybody wants to make the world a better place, but sometimes they just want to make the world a better place for themselves, and that's not making the world a better place. That's just being greedy, in my opinion. Now, how do we go about using our wisdom, using our knowledge, using what we've learned to grow and build and supersize our business? Now, if you started a business, if you're running a business, if you're growing a business, obviously you were not born yesterday. You've got some wisdom. You've decided that it's the right thing to do. It's your way to impact the world and make the world a better place. Assuming I'm talking to people that want to make the world a better place with our businesses and with our endeavors in the world. Well, we do that by using the knowledge and the wisdom that we've acquired. It turns out there's a book by, I think, Hugo Mercier or something, by the name Not Born Yesterday, that I'm really curious about now from doing my research on this idiom, because he talks about how humans really aren't gullible and how we see through misinformation. And unlike a lot of people, and I suppose I'm probably this way too, we believe that people are manipulated, people are coerced, people are brainwashed, so to speak, by different ways and means. And supposedly, I don't have the book yet, but I am going to pick it up because I'm super curious about it now, because he basically takes the opposite side of the coin and says, even during Nazi Germany, people weren't fooled. They went along with the program so they wouldn't die, so they'd survive, but they weren't really fooled into believing the things that Hitler, for example, believed. Now, I don't know. I'm going to read the book because I'm super curious. I would like to believe that humanity and that we as humans are wise enough to see through the lies and the deceit and the programming, but if 2021 has showed me anything, I don't know that that's true. The things that at least the media are portraying as happening here in the United States are beyond unbelievable. And so it makes me question and second guess whether he's right or whether anybody's right, or whether it's all somewhere in the middle. And maybe I like to believe that people are thinking for themselves, that we are wise, that we can see through the nonsense, that at some point we wake up and say, no, that's not true. But then I've been in relationships for a really long time where I was manipulated and lied to. And so I like to think I'm kind of smart, and so I believe if it can happen to me, it can happen to other people as well. And so what's the extent of that? I don't know. I think that time will tell. Where have we heard that before? So, not born yesterday. Love to know your experience, your thoughts, your feelings about this particular idiom or expression. I think it just speaks to our experience and our wisdom. And are we sharing our experience and wisdom and pouring that into our businesses in order to create the business that we want and to make the world a better place? That's it. Go out and have an absolutely awesome day. I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow with another time-related idiom, some way related to time. I guess not born yesterday. Yesterday speaks of time, so that is related to time as well. All right, have an amazing day, and I will be with you tomorrow. Bye.